The state court system that administers the Court of Common Pleas has settled a pay equity case with two local women employees. The women charge that they were paid less than a male co-worker doing the same work. Money editor John Delano has more.
Equal pay for equal work seems pretty obvious.
It was actually President Kennedy who signed the Equal Pay Act in 1963.
That was 52 years ago, when women made on average 59 cents for every dollar a man made in the same job. Despite some progress, Maggie Jensen, the CEO of the YWCA of Greater Pittsburgh, says the last decade has not been good.
In 2004, it increased to 77 cents, and we've been stalled at 77 cents for the last 11 years.
That's the background to a lawsuit brought by two female employees of the Allegheny County Court of Common Pleas who were paid $7,000 a year less than their male coworker, says their attorney, Scott Hare.
Repeatedly, the supervisor and others said that it was well deserved that they would have pay equal to that of the male worker. Repeatedly, they were promised that something would be done, but nothing ever was.
Just before the trial began, the state court system agreed to pay the women the difference in wages from their male coworker.
They were made whole and then a little.
But in a great irony, the women had to agree to keep their lower salary. Since their male coworker is retiring, their employer will reclassify his job to the lower pay of the women. Jensen says women employees need to speak up more.
Men generally always negotiate when they take a job for their salary, and it's rare that women do.
That may be changing.
Women in my age bracket, they don't negotiate, but I would think younger women who have us behind them, I would hope that they're negotiating.
To help women do just that, the local YWCA has a website, Closing the Gap. Link to it at kdka.com. John Delano, KDKA TV News.